Hello and welcome to Garbage. Yet another stream full of garbage, prepared just for you. Fresh, hot and steaming garbage. Welcome in everyone.
We'll do it live. Okay. We'll do it live.
Why are people texting me when I'm streaming? Go away.
And we'll do it live.
This is very aggravating. Yost, thank you very much for subscribing with Prime. 16 months. That's a long time to keep taking that decision to stay here. Time for Do Not Disturb. I have Do Not Disturb on and a silent phone, but I do see the notification. It just doesn't make any sound. Welcome in Rugmat to you. Welcome in Plaintext Nerds and Lars and everybody else who is joining us here on this fine Thursday summer evening. After not being here for a week. It's been a while, chat. What have you been up to? What have you all been doing? I've been busy. Been busy planning, scheming, Wait, why is it Prime? I thought it was automatic. Well, you know, I get more revenue from Prime. So in theory, you are giving me more, Yoast. Hi, Just a Red Shirt. You just flew back from China and boy are my arms tired. Database scheming. That's one type of scheming, Rugmat. But I've been doing other types of scheming as well. Sponsor scheming, work scheming, vacation scheming. Just a Red Shirt has been playing chess. Do you play online? Or do you play in person? Just a Red Shirt. Crying that the Russian government stole assets from one of my investments. Wow, really? That's, sorry to hear that, Plaintext Nerds. That sounds horrible. That sounds not good. Is there like a hack or something? I'm not aware of something. I'm not aware of anything recent. Oh, unlawful seizure. Oof. I'm sorry to hear that. I see. Finnish has seized... No, sorry. Finnish power utility Fortum has formally notified the Kremlin it strongly objects to what was said Russia's unlawful seizure of its subsidiary. Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you can get that resolved, maybe through insurance or something. So, Red Shirt, I know how to play chess. I don't play very often. I don't think I've ever played chess online, though. I'm trying to think. Have I played chess online? Probably at some point I've played chess. But never on stream. Do I want to play chess on stream? I mean, I know chess.com for sure. I don't think I would want to humiliate myself to that extent on stream. I mean, I humiliate myself normally on stream, but going onto chess.com on stream is another level of humiliation. I don't know if I'm prepared for that, to be honest with you. But who knows? Maybe someday. I will definitely keep you in mind, Red Shirt. I will remember that you like to play chess. Russia seems pretty reasonable. We'll probably get that sorted out. Yeah. Stock price took a 30% hit. No way to get it back. Just buy the dip. Oh, yeah. If it's a stock price thing, yeah, that's very difficult to resolve. Sorry to hear that. Well, there's money to be made and lost, right? In various places at the moment. Well, good to hear that you've all been up to various things. Some good, some bad. Yoast, welcome back to the continent. It's very great to have you back. I hope you had a wonderful trip to China. Must have been very exciting. And Yoast, as you know, you are entitled to your name on the mask of subscription for subscribing with Prime. So you can say where and what color you would like your name to be on the mask. Of course, it is optional. It is not required. It is a service. You're going to lose data here shortly. Yoast, you just have to say yes, no to the mask, where and what color, if you have enough data to do so. And if not, that's fine. Welcome in, everyone. It's good to have everyone here. No name. Yes. Your wish is my command, viewer. Welcome in, everyone. It's good to see everyone back after a short hiatus from stream. So my last stream was last Thursday. We didn't have a stream on Friday because there was no data cafe, but we will be having a stream tomorrow, Friday, because the data cafe is every 2 weeks. So if you don't have time to watch today, that's fine. You can tune in tomorrow, same time. And we will be doing this all over again. And yet, it will be different because today we are talking about how to improve my stream and doing some real hands-on stream improvement while live, which of course can never go wrong. You should always modify your stream while live, of course. And tomorrow we will be covering the news, specifically data and tech news. So we don't really get into like politics or that kind of stuff, but we will be doing lots of interesting news. Trust me. There's plenty to talk about in the data and tech world at the moment. Double trouble indeed. New desk. So Lars, the new desk is not yet. Well, it has arrived, first of all. So the new desk has arrived. I just had a call with the sponsor today about some arrangements for the stream. And the stream shall be on June 30th. So that is at the end of the month. I shall be putting something into the calendar on Twitch for that. But make a note for yourselves. That is Friday the 30th of June. What is particular about it is that it will start 3 hours earlier than normal. That will be 6 p.m. Central European Time, CET or CEST, because we're in summertime. The reason we're starting earlier, sorry for all of you North American folks, but it is, look, for a large part of the US, it will be like 9 a.m. in the morning, right? Works better for you. Okay, so there you go. See, the reason we're starting earlier is twofold. One, there's more light outside, because I do need some light to build the desk, because I can build the desk in this kind of light, but it is easier with daylight, let's be honest, because there will be multiple camera angles, etc., etc. And second of all, we'll have someone joining us from the US, and that is a convenient time. June 30th. June 21st is longest day of the year. Is it? I thought it was June 30th. No. Longest day of the year. Oh, yeah, it is. It is. Oh, June 21st is the longest. Yeah, it's pretty close. It's pretty close, right? It's the most sunlight. It's a lot of sunlight. We can get a lot of sunlight in still. So the idea is to start a little bit earlier to give us time to do things. And yes, we shall be building the desk live on stream. I won't be replacing the desk and everything. However, I will be adding some fun. I will be adding a channel point, at least one, possibly two, specific channel point redeems just for that stream. Should be quite entertaining, because if you just think of it from a very standard point of view, just building a desk, that's quite easy. But building a desk with only your left hand, or building a desk while closing one eye, or I don't know, some other restrictions may make things more interesting. Hi, Jay Walter, welcome in. Thank you for enhancing my camera. This is going to be very bad though, because my skin is not doing so great while wearing the vision trouble glasses. I reserve the right to reset the Zoom as much as I want today, chat. Also, Quesnock, hi, Quesnock, great to see you. Did you never make your 69th gift sub? No, Yoast, we talked about this. That your 69th gift sub, you have to be super cautious about what your 69th gift sub is going to be. Like, to who it's going to be gifted. Because 69 is like, you know, the holy gamer number. Or something. But anyway. I have a feeling I should probably redo how Enhance works. I hope Twitch creates a thumbnail about now. We can just stay like that for 5 minutes. Just stay like that for 5 minutes. Be like, Twitch! Twitch, make your thumbnails now. Will it do it? Will they do it? Will Twitch do it now? Do they dare? I tried to leave a YouTube Shorts comment to that video, but it wouldn't let me from my VPN location. Oh, that's a shame. What a shame. This would be a good thumbnail. This is not enjoyable. Oh, there you go. It reset itself because you enhanced it too far. The camera is pretty good. It's a 4K camera, so yeah, it should be good. Let's see what happened. Let's see if did it take the thumbnail that we wanted? I'm concerned. Yoast! Thank you for your 69th gift sub in my channel to Just a Red Shirt. You reached int max. Yes, there is a magic level at which the zoom resets itself. Oh, the thumbnail is not good, chat. The thumbnail is not good. Yoast, 70th gift sub. What are you doing, Yoast? Thank you very much for gifting to Plaintext Nerds. Are you trying to make Plaintext? Are you trying to make Tim enjoy the stream more? I don't know if it changes anything. Just a Red Shirt and Plaintext Nerds, you are both entitled to get your name on the Mask of Subscription. Also, Lars, you are also entitled. Thank you, Yoast, for your 71st gift sub in the channel. You haven't had any money to spend for 2 weeks. Oh, wow. It's been like burning a hole in your digital pocket. If you would like your name on the mask, you just have to tell me where and with what color. There are 80 colors to choose from, so we have flexibility. Tim, right on the eyeball. It will be your Twitch username. That's my only condition, because a lot of people have the same name. In red, though. No, what color did you say, Tim? You didn't actually say. There are 80 colors to choose from. I can also choose a color for you. Judging from your Twitch username, it would probably be like orange gold. Oh, red is good. Okay. Red. Vivid red. Vivid red. Hello, Owen. So here we go. Right on the eyeball. Do you have a preference as to which eyeball? But I'm guessing here looks good, to be honest. Plain text. Nerds. Yoast, thank you very much for gifting to Owen as well. Owen, would you also like your name on the Mask of Subscriptions? Are those Copic markers? No, they are this brand. Tong Fu Shop. They are from Wish. They are from Wish. But hey, you know, they work. They're beautiful. So I just want to show you all. This is the thumbnail that Twitch chose from before. I mean, look at this thumbnail. That is not a good thumbnail. What kind of who is gonna click on this? This is the opposite of clickbait. This is you know exactly what you're getting when you click this, but it is not clickable. It is not clickable. Zero. Has zero clickability. Thank you very much, Yoast, for your kindness. I appreciate that. If someone would like your name on it, on the mask, just let me know. Happy to do that for you. Best clickability. Clickability. Clickability? Is that even a word? So actually, Twitch takes thumbnails like every 5 minutes. But sometimes it's delayed a bit. I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't work. A lot of people online at the moment. That's cool. Whew. A lot of people online. So anyway, let's start the stream off with how we always start the stream, just to keep things, you know, consistent. There's one thing in particular that we have to do at the beginning of the stream, because it's tradition. Take care, Tim. Thank you for stopping by. That's right, meme of the day. And I have found an absolutely perfect meme to summarize the experience of being a Twitch streamer. About what the relationship is like. What the relationship is like with all of you in chat. This summarizes it. When a streamer says, don't clip that, all of you sitting there are like, well, now I'm going to clip it. And I know that's what you do, because as a viewer, that's exactly what I do when I'm watching a streamer and they say, don't clip this. It has to be clipped. It's the rule. So this is great. And on top of that, this is Pingu, which is, if you don't know Pingu is amazing. So, the one time I danced, is that true? Now we have to watch. Is there a clip of plaintext nerds dancing? We may be lucky. Maybe we will see it. Oh, privacy filter. Very cool. Catch you later, Yost. What is this clip? What's happening here? Is it like mirrored and blurred? Interesting. It's the best way to get the lurkers to awaken. That's true, but there's other ways to get lurkers to awaken. There's tons of ways to get lurkers to awaken on Twitch. If you want to awaken your lurkers, this is the real stream. You are currently watching the live stream. You can also just call their names. Did you know that? You can just call the names. So you can be like, hey. Who's lurking? Hey, Karayon. Happy to have you in my stream. Or hey, Jords and Zed. Happy to have you in my stream. Thank you for being here. And the lurkers, their ears will perk up. See? See? Hi, Karayon. See? That's a trick. If only there was a tool that you could use. If only there was a tool you could use to see who is connected to your chat really easily without having to open the Twitch dashboard and click the icon thing, and I don't know, that would be a really cool thing if that existed. You don't have to worry, lurkers. I was just making a point that you can call someone's name and they will and they will usually perk up, because that's kind of like humans are trained to react to their name. So that's, you know. And this is going to be a segue to if only there were a tool that does that. That's right. There is a tool that does that. It's called Lurk Reveal. So if you go to Lurk Reveal, then you can do that. Ooh, let's watch the clip. Let's watch it.
Better?
Where's the music? No music. Oh, add our own music to it. So yes, I built a tool called Lurk Reveal, and you can use Lurk Reveal to just see who is connected to your chat. And the nice thing about this is you're all saying, oh, Twitch already has this in their dashboard, but you can add your own stylings here to the bottom of the page into this bar. You can add like your own usernames, sorry. And when you add them, oh, does that not work anymore? Did I delete the code that does that? Oh, I think I did. That's not good. Oh, I have to fix that. Use a different channel for streaming and VOD. Oh, right. Okay. Because you play copyrighted music on your stream. No. Anyway, it would normally, you can highlight users. You can highlight users on your own. And that's something that Twitch can't do for you. So anyway, it's just a way for you to see. And the other thing is that we differentiate between all users and known bots from a bot list, which is so-so. And we also have digital services, so like Commander Root or Seribot or Creatis Bot or Stream Elements. Those are also categorized. I think that we should probably split them into categories, Jay Walter, because now we only have the chatters. It would make sense to split them. It would make sense to split them out into categories and maybe build on this and maybe go get more information about each user, like VIP status and stuff like that. Because you are authing with your own token, so maybe we could do that at some point. But today is about the stream. Today's about the stream. Today's about the stream because I am very interested in improving my stream. I have a backlog of items. I have a backlog of items that is significant, okay? And I can't really make progress on these items outside of stream time always. And some of the things, I can't even test them being off stream, like being offline. So I rely on you, chat. I rely on you as a barometer of fun to say, oh, that's really cool. Yeah, no worries, Tim. Take care. You didn't have to stay. I rely on you, chat, as a barometer to say, oh, okay, this is really cool. Let's keep that. Or no, that's a crappy idea. Don't do that. Because I have a lot of ideas and some of them are probably not that good. So I think we should dive in. First thing, let me show you all my layout because it's going to annoy all of you immediately. So my current stream layout is built in such a way that it works on my vertical monitor. So you have to imagine I have a monitor to my right and this sits vertically. So I can have all of these things, I can actually read them. And right now I can't because everything is kind of squished. So I don't want to redo this layout completely because, well, it's annoying to redo it every time. So you're just gonna have to put up with my layout being vertically oriented. But in the meantime, I can activate studio mode because otherwise everything is going to break. And then I can put a projector here. Is this how I could do it? I'm thinking about something. If I do like this... no, I would need to capture... No, that doesn't work. I would need to desktop capture the other screen. But then it would be super, super vertical, and that wouldn't be good for you, chat. I guess first things first, let's talk about what we're going to do first. before we get into anything. The first thing we're going to look at, I think, we should do is probably chat related. I think we could have chat related things. We could also have channel point related things. I wanted to do an update to one thing, but that doesn't make any sense because I don't know what to do. Ah, this is the thing I wanted to do. Yes. So what do you think, chat? Should I allow you... Oh, my camera froze, didn't it? Yes, it did. Ah. I've been having this problem with Elgato's camera. It's just... I don't know what's up with it. It's just doing weird things. There we go. It's been doing really weird things, like it's flickering and freezing and all this kind of stuff. I might have to like look into that or something. So what do you think about this, chat? Should I give you the ability to take my picture? Because I think it could be super fun. Could be super fun for chat to take my picture on stream. Kind of like a snapshot. A little bit similar. In a way, it's a little bit similar to Time Warp. I mean, Time Warp is Time Warp. But taking a picture is really like a screenshot, right? The question is, where would it end up? That's the real question. Because I would love them to be posted somewhere. 240 degrees. Oh, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. I'm sorry, Jay Walter. I went the wrong way on that one. But it is a time warp nonetheless. Now I was just thinking, if I allow chat to take a screenshot or a picture, if you will, where would I put it afterwards? Because I would need like a place to have the feed, and I don't know if Patreon is good for that, because not all of them, maybe not all of them will be funny. I don't know. It's a really cool effect. Let's see if we can get it to work first. So this is how it's gonna work. Let me just move OBS out here for the moment, because we don't need OBS in view. The first thing to think about is, how are we going to take a photo? So when you consider a photo is basically... Oh, there's no background. No one noticed that? There's no background. There's no desktop. There we go. There was no background. Oh, look, that's my phone. Haha! That's my phone. How cool. My case is so dirty. So the question is how to allow someone to take a photo, right? So when you look at OBS, you have to kind of think about what are the options in taking a photo of someone. So I think I have a scene which is just my camera. That's this one here, right? Camera main. This is just my camera. So on this scene, we could have a filter. We could have a filter that has move action on it. And the thing is that here you can actually have a front end action, and you can set here front end action to be take screenshot. So this could take a screenshot. But maybe we want to activate like a frame or something. But we could activate that all within this camera filter thing. And the way that it works, this is how it works, right? You have like a folder where your OBS recordings go. And if you take a screenshot, so if I activate this filter, see here, it took a screenshot. Oh wow, it took a screenshot of the whole thing. Ah, so the screenshot is always everywhere. Ah, interesting. Okay, so we could put it somewhere else. We could put it somewhere else. We could put it into... we could put it into here. Into DSK. That's interesting. So DSK, Downstream Keyer, is another plugin that you can use to overlay something over your entire output. And the way that that works is you add a source. This is the part I didn't show you. You add a output source. That's what this is called. Basically, the output source ensures that whatever you're outputting to the stream, right? And then you can modify the output source. So if I put pixelation like this, see, it modifies the entire stream. Everything that's being output right now is being modified by that. And then I can reset it again. But that's how that works. So does drop even work? I have a feeling like something reset somewhere. Stream games. Pixel plush. Refresh. Let's try that again, J. Walter. There we go. Oh, it did drop the clown. Stop dropping clowns! Okay, so it makes a screenshot. So if we go to DSK again, we go, is there a filter on here? No, those are the filters on the output. Let's do that here. Filter. So let's add a filter called move action. So it's a move, it's from the move, it's from the plugin from Exceldro. Let's do take screenshot. Front end action, take screenshot. Lars, did you land? Oh, nice, with haha ball. White Panther loves that emote. I also think it's pretty funny. Is it like a limited time emote? How did you get it? How did you even get that emote, Lars? I think we're all pretty jealous of it. I don't know anyone else with that emote, to be fair. I'd have never seen anyone else on Twitch with that emote before. So take screenshot, no delay. This is all fine. So this is from the move transition plugin from Exceldro, right? So we have a take screenshot action, and if I activate this, it takes a screenshot. Ta-da! Of the whole thing. Okay. So that's interesting. So I could have it take a screenshot automatically. Are there settings in OBS that allow you to change how the screenshot is taken? I wonder. Where would that be? Accessibility, hotkeys, video, audio, output. Oh, 6.9. Is that to your satisfaction, Rugman? I tried super hard. I tried super hard for you to give you a good performance. Oh wow, all the lights are off. Yeah, so now Hugh is also connected, so... You're more than welcome to play with everything. Now that Hugh is also disconnected, now that Hugh is also connected to Aitum, you can really do everything. So I don't know, I don't think there's a way to generate a different screenshot name in OBS. I don't see a way to do that. Which is unfortunate, but that's the way to do it. Oh no! Did you swing Thor's hammer? Am I allowed to chat without an intro? Because I ain't got no points. Yes, Alan, of course you're allowed to chat without an intro. You're always welcome here. Everyone is welcome here. Rugmat struck Kata with Thor's hammer. I'm very sorry, Kata. You've been timed out for 120 seconds. So here's the thing. What do we do with the screenshot? Okay, let's assume I give you the ability to take a photo. Do I have a redemption for this? I don't know if I even have a redeem for this. Did I make one? I feel like I made one. Where's the camera? There's no camera one here. Am I missing something? No. Just looked it up. It's from Ha Ha Holidays channel? Is that even... Because it says it's limited time emote. That's interesting. I've never heard of that. Was that like a special holiday emote? Oh wow. December 2019 to January 2020. Oh no. Hold on a second. Are you sure? Look what it says here. It says these were the emotes. Interesting. Well, it doesn't really matter, Lars. I think it's just really cool that you have it. Okay, so there's no thing here for that. Should I just make it a chat command? I could make it a chat command. So if we made it a chat command, chat screenshot. New trigger. Twitch. Chat message. Oh, what happened here? 13 seconds ago? What's happening here? What's happening here? Okay. Anyway. So chat message. The chat message has to be precisely SST. SCRT? Screenshot? SCRT? Exclamation mark SCRT. Yeah. Should we make this VIP only? We could make this VIP only. Because otherwise anyone could just abuse it. But I don't know. I mean... Should it be VIP only, chat? I don't know. Data check. Is user... Okay, let's make it follower. Let's make it follower at least. If you're not a follower, you won't be able to do it. Okay. And then, as an action, it will go into OBS. And it will activate a filter on DSK output. And the filter is called take screenshot. Set to visible. So now if someone writes !SCRT in chat, you will see here, you will see a new screenshot file appear. There we go. There's Rugmat's file. Wow. The question is what to do with this information now. Giving chat the ability, like giving chat the ability to take a screenshot, but now what happens, you know? Can I go get it somehow? Let me see. Hold on a second. How would I... what could I do? What could I do with it? I should probably say that a screenshot was taken. Facial recognition to pull you out and apply a filter. Oh, I don't know how easy that would be, Alan. Can you set the VOD thumbnail for the current stream, or do you have to wait until the stream is over? I cannot set the thumbnail for the stream until I end the stream. Which is unfortunate because, yeah, I would like to set the thumbnail myself. Because then, if I could set the thumbnail myself, I could ask you to take a screenshot, and then it could set the thumbnail. I think we'll have Hans read this. And then we will say, variable, Twitch username. Oh, hold on. I didn't want to do that. Normal. Twitch username took a screenshot. Device. Default? Okay, who's going to take a screenshot this time? Who's it going to be? I'm waiting to hear in my ear.
Tide of Alan took a screenshot.
Tide of Alan took a screenshot.
Jörg Walter took a screenshot.
Thank you, Hans. Thank you, Hans. Very useful.
Jörg Walter took a screenshot.
What else should... But I don't understand, like... What should we do with this? What should we do with this? Other than the information. Make it the background. Can I do that?
Jörg
I don't...
Walter took a screenshot.
Can I do that? I don't know if I can. What else could I do? Let me think. Now I just want to hear Hans pronounce all the Twitch names. Spam it to a Discord? Yeah. Yeah, that's the ideal thing to do, but... Oh, if only I could change the destination. When there are 5, put them up as thumbs at the bottom and let people vote on one to make the background. Oh my gosh. How would you even do this? Like, you would have to monitor... You would need something running locally to monitor this. And then... I mean... I could send webhooks. I can send a webhook. Like Discord or Slack, for example. If it's just using the standard Mac screenshot tool, you can change the location. I don't think it is, because it's like OBS is native. Because my screenshots go to a folder already. So I think it's using OBS native screenshot. Let's actually look that up. I actually don't know. OBS screenshot location. Same folder as your recordings. File names have the naming screenshot and then the type, just as recordings do. Okay. Well, someone replied to the thread. You could script over that to watch for the pattern. Yep. So I can write custom code with Aitum. I could write custom code with Aitum to monitor the directory, and then pick 5. Let's actually have a look at them. What are they? That's a decent screenshot. What I am hoping, what would really be cool...
Title of Alarm took a screenshot.
What would be cool, actually, would be to have you take my thumbnails for me. So like if we created a scene that was specifically for thumbnails, and then you could, chat could spam the command, and I would get a ton of thumbnails. That would actually be useful. That could be very useful. That could actually be really good. Should we do that? Because I know that Finite wanted to do that. Who will create a new Twitch user called I'll Be Back and to get Hans to pronounce it? If you really want Hans to pronounce it, I can force Hans to say things. It's not a problem. I can just get Hans to read it. I could just make a rule. I can just get Hans to read chat. Twitch. Chat message. Chat message. I'll be back. I won't even put it. I won't even put it. I'll just put here. Device. Aitum. TTS. 55. Hans. Message. Local. Oh, we don't have that? Wait. Twitch message. Here we go. Device, streaming, create, save. Okay. I will deactivate this shortly, but Hans is going to read chat now.
Hello.
Hans? Yes. Hi, Hans.
I'll be back. Ausrufezeichen DJ invited to dinners. Because he is a superhero.
Why?
Ausrufezeichen DJ. Troublesome Canadian High Schooler. Hasta la vista, baby.
There's no queue, by the way. There's no queue. I could put a queue, but I don't have one. I could queue it.
Wie geht es allen?
Now the queue stops everything. So now would be a good time for meme DDoS. I can take the queue off again. I love
time for meme DDoS.
Meme DDoS. Yeah, the thing is like when it just reads chat, it's not very fluid, right? I would say all times are a good time for meme DDoS. Anyway, so the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I can get Hans to read that specifically. I can just say the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Lazy dog. He is pretty quick. Should we test out various TTSs?
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Oh, she can't... What? Leia can't read? How weird.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Plot twist, do your own voice clone. That would be a very cool idea. I actually already have that planned. To be honest with you, Alan. I've already started planning that stream. That I'm gonna clone my own voice. Ooh, we have an ad coming soon. Okay, so chat takes a screenshot is actually going to be the thumbnail thing. So chat takes a picture. Where's the thumbnail thing? Where was that? Stream overall. My next thumbnail. Yeah, so Finite gave me some tips on how to create a mask. I already cloned your voice. You read me all my emails. Really? I mean, there's enough training data there, that's for sure. But yeah, Finite sent me a ton of information on how to create a mask to have a clean outline for a thumbnail. So I'm thinking we should try and combine the screenshotting functionality with a thumbnail functionality to take new thumbnails for my stream, because I'm actually running out of faces. I know that sounds absurd, but I'm actually running out of faces, chat. Because you remember I took like 20 or 30 faces a while ago, and now I'm running out of faces because I keep reusing them. Silly screenshot idea. Count the words on the screen and keep stats. Words, like the words on the screen itself, Alan. I like the ideas. The chaos is good. Very great. Great ideas. Yeah, I'm going to take a short break, I think. Train Midjourney on your face. Ooh, that would be nice. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Have my own private Midjourney. Yeah, I'm gonna take a short break. And then we're gonna try and do the thumbnail thing. Finite has shaders and stuff for it. Silly screenshot idea. Histogram the screenshots for colors and make that a background or do something with the data. I could definitely take all the screenshots and put them into like one big collage. Oh, that's a cool idea. Wait, I need to write this down. I need to make this into the other one. So,
I took a screenshot.
Thank you for taking a screenshot. Rogmat. Rogmat took a screenshot. Hans sounds so serious when he says it. Like it's a serious thing, you know? I'm gonna write this down quickly. So, Chad taking a picture. Oh, by the way, the original idea.
Do you want to?
Sorry, the original idea was from Andy Lippy, where basically the effect looks like this afterwards, where it takes like a Polaroid. You basically set it up, and then afterwards, it does like, I don't know if I can show it. Can I show it? Oh, sorry, I didn't mute. Sorry, I forgot to mute. But anyway, it creates like a Polaroid effect. And Andy's in particular. I think Andy's has like an auto Discord upload or something. Anyway, we'll be back in a few moments after my break. Sorry for... oh, I wasn't sharing screen. Yeah, I'll share it with you afterwards, but I will show you. Du ist welcome. I will show you what it looked like afterwards. Yeah, drop in the meantime, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Don't go away. Cannabis. Oh no, someone's gonna clip that now, aren't they? I have a big problem. My parents haven't bought me any more food for me to eat. The cupboards are empty. They don't love me. Not a 91, okay? We all know that was not a 91. The use of algorithms and statistical models to enable computer systems to improve their performance. Looked like 91 to you. You must have had your head the wrong way around, Finite. Three, two, one. Meme of the day. Meme of the day. Oh. Why would you do this? Now no one can see me. Bad cop, come on. Well. So we know that we shouldn't mess with shaders. Yeah, please refresh, thanks. Maybe we shouldn't mess with shaders while live in OBS. Yikes. Well, we reset the uptime and the stats, that's for sure.
Hello, and welcome to my stream.
I'm bald. Yeah. I'm bald. For a really long time. Oh no. I see that chat has gone ham on Thor's hammer again. T. Drayson has struck Yoast with Thor's hammer. Yikes. Well, when you want to learn, teach me again. I shall teach you again, Dr. Dynamite. How to stream. By showing you all the things not to do while streaming. Today, there's an issue. How loud is this? Hello? And I'm like, where'd you get that money from? And he's like, don't ask questions. So they needed talking to. Did you see that, chat? Did you see his little... I don't know what that was. Highway to the danger zone with Googly Eye. I know what happened. Oh my god.
Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
Oh my god. Oh, did you just DDoS my memes? The first meme DDoS ever. What a glorious occasion. That was a lot of fun the first time. So I was saying about the screenshot thing.
Do you want to take your...
So Andy Stone, Andy Lippy, has a video. Oh, I hate this track. Has a video about making this interactive stream effect that looks like this.
Troubleshooting steps if you have... Let's get into it. Put your rocking for the stone. Be here. Other stream...
Let me see. Where is the demonstration? Where's the demonstration of what it looks like? Oh, sorry, I didn't mute. Sorry. Oh, that's twice now. That's twice. Now you have two of them. Now you have two of them that you can use, J. Walter. But anyway, what it does is it creates a little portrait of you. Like, it creates this photograph that you can share. But it is pretty intense to code. It is pretty intense to code. But my idea was, take all the screenshots that we have from a stream, take them all, and then after the stream, I can put them all into a collage, into like one big pixel image thing. So I'm gonna write that down. I'll just have to do it manually. After stream, take all the pictures and put them into a collage, maybe with Canva or something. I don't know exactly how I'll do it yet. But that could be cool. So it's time to think about thumbnails. So I have a thumbnail scene, actually. Well, scene. I actually don't have... Ooh, I don't have that set up. Hold on. Configure Stream Deck. So I have lighting configured for thumbnails. So if I copy this... where is this? GS. That's the one. GS. Also, this is written wrong. So if I change to GS, you'll see the color is green. And the green is so that, well, so that I stand out as much as possible. Silly screenshot idea. Make one of those video morph things. Video morph? What is that? I have to check whether this scene is set up correctly. It seems a bit dark. Hold on. Hue. Is this scene set up for 100% brightness? It is. It is, look. 100% brightness. All the way. So, yeah. So this is like the green screen color. It's not a real green screen. Of course, we could pull up the green screen for the thumbnail scene. That could also be a thing. But I don't know. Let's think about this. What did I have on Synthwave today? So what I'm thinking is, chat, this is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking. Finite sent me some instructions of how to make a thumbnail on Twitch, in OBS. So let me create a new, studio mode, first of all. Let me go into my camera. We need to make a thumbnail scene. So we're probably going to derive it from... Actually, it could be the 80-20 scene. We could just use this scene that we're on. This 80-20 one. Looks like this, right? Could just use that one. Could just use that. In theory. And then just have like some kind of filter on the camera. All right, the screenshot is taken automatically, but I want to activate certain things on the camera. Well, then I think it's time to pull up the green screen. What do you think, Chad? I think we have to activate the green screen. In which case, the lights don't really matter. I don't think. Oh, actually, no, the lights do matter. Hold on, that's a good point. We have to put the maximum amount of brightness. Oh, what scene do I have for that? 90 million lumens. That seems like very much brightness to me. Okay, so I'm just gonna add that to my Stream Deck. So we're gonna do, this is 90, or I'll just call it full. Scene, 90 million lumens. So now I can change, see? Now I can change with the Stream Deck. But the point is that I have it as a saved scene because Aitum could change to that before taking the screenshot. So this is chat, and we're gonna call it thumbnail instead of a screenshot. So when there's a chat message with SCRT, we're gonna check whether you're a follower, and then we will wait. That's the key. Hello everyone, I just spent 2 hours changing out SAS adapters in my server, and now I'm really tired. Hi NotePass, welcome back. Good to see you again. I can actually wait a certain period of time. This is fun, hold on. Philips hue, action, change light color, set group scene. How come these... How come I cannot see those two? Are they not in a group? Oh, interesting. I don't even need the 100% brightness. And then shelf and standing lamp. You will not say that after a few months. Why will I not say that after a few months? Because you're enhancing my face, NotePass? Is that why? So change the lights and then wait 5 seconds. Nah, 3 seconds. 3 seconds is enough. So imagine the lights were like this. General nuisance, or however you write that. Exclamation mark SCRT. Doesn't work. It doesn't work because I'm not a follower. I can't even test it. Oh, there we go.
Notipus took a screenshot.
Notipus took a screenshot. Silly screenshot idea. Have the screenshot take over the scene for half a second and then use some random filter to move off of it. Spin into nothing, vertical blinds. Yeah, I think the thing that really troubles me, Alan, is how to display the screenshot on stream. That's what's really challenging. That's what's really hard. That's what's really difficult. But anyway, Finite sent me some amazing information about how to take screenshots. Where did I save this? Oh, it's in the card, isn't it? Yeah. Hold on 1 second. My next thumbnail. Here we go. Can I open this card in its own window? I want to open this in a separate window. I don't want you to see all my other ideas, chat. Okay, here we go. PowerPoint moment. So basically a thumbnail scene. So we've already established that we can change the lights.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
So we can change the lights before the screenshot happens. But I can, yeah, I can put the screen, I can put the green screen up. Let's do that. I'm going to put the green screen up. Ta-ta! Wonderful. So the green screen is now up. You should probably you should probably zoom out, chat. I can zoom out for you, it's fine. So here's the green screen. If I was on my other scene, this one here. So here's the thing. Note to self, don't turn your back to the camera when camera is zoomed in. No one took a screenshot, did they?
Title Verland took a screenshot.
Oh, what is happening here? Did you put a clown on my... Oh my god, did you put a clown on my green screen? You didn't. Chat! Why? When did you do that? No! Don't do... No! Put it away. Put it away. Yeah, so the thing is that this is perfect because I'm green screened.
Ragmat took a screenshot.
Thank you, Ragmat, for taking a screenshot. So the thing the thing is that everything that's green is being chroma keyed by my amazing chroma key function. But we might have to add something here. First of all, let me go back to the basics here. 80/20 scene, we have a camera, which is here, camera main. So on camera main, here, I could add a filter. This is where I'm gonna wanna add the filters, right? I'm gonna wanna zoom in twice. Am I gonna want to zoom in? I don't even know. Maybe not. But the green screen is slightly off. Or should I just move the camera? Haha! Hold on. Let's move the camera. No, that was the wrong way. So if the camera's in the middle, like this, then it's so weird though. It's not right. Looks so off. I don't know how to explain it to you, chat. It just looks off. Turn off face tracking for a second. Yeah. Not doing any favors for you though. Okay, so basically, thumbnail time. How do I do this, Finite? Finite gave me the information that I need. Dynamic face cam mask, alpha shader, and then chrome light. Interesting. Thumbnail scene from Finite stroke outline. Dynamic face cam mask, alpha shader. Alpha shader. Where is an alpha shader? Finite shaders. Alpha pass shader. Is it this one? Okay. But will this one, this dot effect, will that work? Hold on a second. Alpha shader and then chrome light. Blur, focus, defocus, change focus. Ah, okay, wait. Let's try this. So if I add a... I'm just thinking, should I add this on the scene? I should, actually, because I think... Green screen chroma key. Not good enough. Custom color. Select color. Something between light and dark. Something like there. Let's check how good that is. Oh! Too good. That's not bad. Okay. Hi, Snark Cheese. Hola to you. Ah, so it's too far to the left. Interesting. I'll just turn my chair for the screenshot. Like this. Okay, so similarity. That's good. Smoothness. Okay. And key spill. Alright, so that's fine. So we have a green screen chroma key. I wonder how well that would work with the green light. Whether it works any better. That messes things. The full light is actually better. How you doing, Snark Cheese? It's good to see you again. Okay, so then we need some kind of a... I don't know what you call it. You need a filter. Image mask. Green screen mask. I really wonder how fine I did this. I even wrote notes. Dynamic face cam mask. Alpha shader and then chrome light. Alpha mask. Color channel. Alpha mask. Alpha channel. I'm doing well, thanks. Did you make a second attempt at Fabric? No, I did not. I chose to abandon Fabric, seeing as it wasn't sponsored. I had enough frustration trying to even figure it out. I was not happy with how that went. But the feedback... The feedback went somewhere, let's put it that way. Dynamic mask. Hold on a second. Dynamic mask? Image mask? Alpha channel? Let me check what we have in OBS. Masks. Oh, these are the standard ones, though. These are fixed. I want it to be dynamic. How do I do that? How did Finite do this? I'm going through the Microsoft licensing for work, and I'm in the same boat of not wanting to deal with Microsoft's ways. I understand. Alphapass.effect. Well, let's just download this. And let's put that into the OBS folder. OBS shaders. Oh, Housequake. Forgot about that one. Alphapass.effect. Now there's a chance that when I try to use this, it will crash my stream. So if that happens, I will have to restart OBS. There's a chance. I'm just saying, chat. It's possible. So I don't want you to be worried. I don't want you to be concerned for my life or welfare. I'm fine. It's just possible. It's possible that using an effect filter will stop my stream. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Exactly. User-defined shader.
Garbage.
Green screen mask. Use effect file. Update, I got the tape drive connected. 6300 tape quantum ultrium HH4 DC3G dev ST0. I only understood 3 words of that sentence. Okay. Load use effect file. Yeah, but how do I... here we go. Okay, I'm concerned. I'm very worried, chat, but we're gonna try it anyway. Here we go, chat. I mean, the file is from Finite, so if the stream crashes, you have to tell Finite that it's his fault. Here we go. Opening the shader. It's very tense. What's it doing? Did my stream crash? No, it didn't crash. It didn't crash. But I have to say what the input is. Hold on, it might still crash. El Gato. No, I want M cam main. Where is it? M. Why is this not alphabetical? Oh my gosh. Camera main. Input A. Min pass. The Swiss have deployed their new invisibility technology. Why is this not doing what it should? Maybe change the color of the view size? Yeah, I disabled the filter. Just because I don't know what this is doing and I'm trying to figure it out. Alpha pass. Input a sample mask sampler. I don't know. I don't really understand how it works. So no readme? Mask effect. Oh, hold on a second. This might be the one. Might be this one instead. Oh wow. Hey Finite. That looks like fun. Okay. I'm gonna change to the other one. And let's see what happens. This may crash the stream. Again. Assets, OBS, shaders, mask. Oh, okay. I get the worst drops today. What did you do? I didn't do anything. View size. Background. Huh? What is happening? You can select the background? I'm so confused as to how this even works. It doesn't make any sense to me. Background. Well, okay, hold on. The bunny get rescued. Jay Walter in the pool again. I am very confused, chat. Where's Finite when you need him? Finite, are you streaming today? Is Finite here? I don't think Finite's here. This is very, how does it bring this back? That's what's so confusing to me. Okay, let's take off the other one for a second. Finite decided to update his computer right before stream and it didn't go well apparently. Ah, yes, that was the tweet, wasn't it? Yes. Okay. Well, Finite can come here and help me figure this out. Because I don't understand how to make a stroke outline filter. Despite the fact that I have 2 screenshots from Finite. Gaussian area. Ah, is this a blur thing? So you blur once it has selected you as alpha. Interesting. This is so confusing. I thought this would be easier, to be honest. Like I just thought it would be easier. So we have a chroma key, but then we have no way to like just auto select me and get rid of everything else. Wow, okay. Great stream, Maddie. Amazing entertainment. Let's just try one more thing. Sorry, I have something in my eye. Image mask. Recursion. No, not recursion. Image mask. My eyeball is in my eye, Dr. Dynamite. Thank you very, very much for telling me that. Color channel, alpha channel, blend, addition, subtraction. Alpha mask. What if I... Okay, hold on a second. Shaders, OBS, masks. Basically, you can only use PNGs for these. And you need to create like a dynamic mask. How are you doing, Dr. Dynamite? It's been a while since we've seen you on the Twitchers. Maybe we should look up dynamic mask. Dynamic mask OBS. OBS Studio dynamic masks without stream effects.
Okay, so
Oh,
a lot of you
Exegete. Thank you very much for 21 months of subscription. Exegete, would you like to have your name on the mask of subscription? Some people like this. Some people like this. I can't say who they are. Maybe it's the people who are already on here. Down the bridge of the nose in white. Okay. That's what we shall do. Look at this perfect chroma keying. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing. Burnout and stress taking day by day. That's very important. Exegete, down the nose. In white. Exegete. Yo. I mean, I would show you, but I don't think you'll see it. Can you see it? It's very faint. It's clearly up the nose, sir. I want a refund. Unfortunately, subs and other financial commitments to the stream are non-refundable. But next month you can decide again if that's really what you want. How about that? So you could do that. What I'm wondering about is, where is the other green filter coming from? Is that the entire chroma key? Because that should just be my desktop. Interesting. It looks different on preview than it does. I don't know what to say. You want it down the nose, you started at the tip. It depends on what is up and what is down for you, you know? Like, what is up and what is down for you? And clearly, I want to ask you, what is up? But no, thank you very much. 21 months, Exegete. That's also a lot of months to continue, like continue deciding to commit to giving money to this stream for whatever reason. The jokes are up. Yeah. Yes. I don't really have any jokes. That's the problem. So what are we doing today? We are trying to create a thumbnail scene because now I have given chat the ability to take screenshots. So if you use exclamation SCRT in chat, then it will take a screenshot. And then, yeah, basically I want to set up the scene so that it...
You took a screenshot.
There you go. And Hans is kind enough to announce that you took a screenshot. Oh! You just missed the edge of the pool. What's your favorite food? You are a sweet person, don't forget that. Thank you, BR4. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for saying that. That is very kind. It's very kind of you. That's for that to be your first message in here. That is truly something incredible. Yeah, thanks so much.
You took a screenshot.
Thank you for taking a screenshot. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Steffi. Let's calm down, chat. BR4, thank you so much for the follow as well. What brings you over here today? What brings you over yonder? Yeah, so basically, I'm trying to create a thumbnail scene. And it's difficult because I don't know how to do this dynamic stroke outline. But I see that Nutte has a video about dynamic masks. So I think we should watch that. We should watch this because that will help us.
By now, but Stream Effects is now hidden behind a pay.
Okay, paywall, blah blah blah. Dynamic masks. I'm into backend and saw your channel. My recommendation. I just wanted to do something kind. Sorry if I'm bothering you. You're not bothering me at all before. No, not at all. Of course not. It's very kind for you to come in here and say hello and follow and all that stuff.
We go down to alpha channel and we change the base value to 0 and the alpha 1. You can see what happens. So
oh, okay. Hold on a second. So this is the trick. This is the trick.
Understand how masks work. A mask is basically you can think of it like a cookie cutter. You have like a square and you want to cut out the shape of a face into that square. So the little cookie cutter thing that you use to make that shape, that's known as a mask.
Stop dropping clowns.
So a dynamic mask basically takes that concept and that cookie cutter that you use for the face is instead of just being a static image, it's now like dynamic. And that could be like a video file, it could be a GIF, or it could be like something like your webcam in this case. So I'm going to choose my green screen webcam.
Wait, but I have to watch the part where he added the thing.
Screen, and we're just going to make it the color blue, okay? So I'll hide this for now. Then what I'm going to do is for that color source, I'm going to add a filter.
Ah, you add a color source. Ah, drop the bass. I see. Okay, so we have to create a color source. Thank you, Nutty. Okay, color source. So in the camera scene, wow, this is gonna mess with stuff, chat. I'm telling you right now. In my camera main, I should probably disable. Should I? No. I have to add a color source. This is gonna be camera alpha mask. I'll just call it camera mask. Yep. That's over my face. 25. What is the thing? 44 by 1431. Select color. I'm going to make it a very distinct color. I'm going to make it a very distinct red. Okay. And then I'm going to hide this. There we go. All right. So, definitely garbage. Then Nutty says,
and we're going to be adding a dynamic mask filter. So this is something that's available for stream effects. It's a pretty advanced feature that not a lot of people use, but apparently some people use it. So we're gonna add one. And what we can do is,
huh. But if you don't want to do this with stream effects, hold on. Wait a second. Where's the non-stream effects method? Hold on a second.
sorry. Whatever thing that we want to use as the mask. In our case, I said we're gonna use our webcam, like our green screen webcam. So we're gonna add that.
Okay.
What we're gonna do, so we want to cut the shape of myself into this blue rectangle. So the first thing that we did, I hope I get this right because I don't want to re-record this video.
Okay, so we need to have the color source underneath. I need to have the color source underneath, like this. And this needs to have the filter on it. So this green screen chroma key. This green screen, hold on, get this out of here. I need to filter the actual camera. Okay. So we're gonna do chroma key. Elgato chroma key. Custom color. Select color. Something like that. Nope. There we go. Just trying to adjust it. Hold on. Okay. We're getting somewhere, chat. We're getting somewhere. Rugmat, what did you break? Oh, wow. You totally broke it. I can just clear it. It's fine. I think it just replays it, no? Okay, hold on. Wait. Thank you, Rugmat, for replaying that again. So yeah, set this up. Username, password. Okay, so I'm gonna log out. What clip is this? Of this? What clip is this? I don't remember this clip. Probably someone wanting a bingo. Technically is the best. You've signed out of your account. Okay, Microsoft Fabric. Sorry, I need to do this off stream chat because credentials. I don't think I went through my clips from last stream. Possibly. I'm sorry. Hair today, gone tomorrow. Sorry, Lars. VIP only, but glatte matze. Look how much hair I have in comparison to this. Yeah. I am actually going for a haircut next week. I'm bald. Alright.
The first thing we did is we want to make our green screen camera to be like a solid color. Fuck, don't rate me, okay? I'm gonna ignore this and pretend that like, oh my god. Don't kind of pre-rating me. Is we want to turn our webcam into like a solid color because we just want to use our webcam as a mask. So I just add a filter to my camera. Ignore all the other filters, but I just added a color correction filter.
Okay. So I add a color correction filter.
And I just like blast the contrast and the brightness.
Oh, that's clever. That is very, very clever. Okay. So we do color correction. And we do Elgato mask. And then we just do like this. Basically. But this needs to be applied. Ah! What made you get a green screen? I had one for a long time. But it was basically wanting to do thumbnails that caused me to get this. The thing is that this isn't a perfect thing because I think it needs to be zoomed in. So I think we need to crop a little. Elgato crop. So we'll do left 500. Top 50. No, we don't need. Right 500. Ooh, that's close. Almost. 550. No. 650? That works. Wouldn't it be funny if someone dropped a clown and got 100? No, that wouldn't be funny at all. Literally zero fun. 700, 700. Okay. I'm a little bit cut off, but it's okay. So it's fine. Look, chat. It's fine. See? It's all good. I mean, it's narrow, but I can still take thumbnails like this. Someone take a screenshot. Ah, seriously? It's messing up everything today. Why can't things just cooperate? Why can't they just cooperate? I don't understand. Like, things just don't work.
Garbage.
Yeah, it's annoying. Someone screenshot? I want to see if this is okay.
Steffi128 took a screenshot.
Oh, Steffi128 took a screenshot. Thank you, Steffi. Okay. Elgato mask. So here's the problem. It's boosting the green screen as well. I wonder if Nutty talks about that.
So I become solid white. Okay, so I'm solid white now. Now I'm gonna drag the camera underneath our color source. So the blue rectangle is covering up our camera. And then we're gonna apply a blending mode, and we're gonna set this.
Wait, whoa, oh, whoa. Okay, hold on a second. Studio mode activated. Camera main. So the color is now on top. Like this. What the? This is interesting.
It's only gonna show my camera's there. And then now this whole scene.
Okay, I missed something. I must have missed something, chat.
So where were we? Okay, so what we want to do is we want to turn our webcam in.
And then we link them. Oh, is that when I got raided by Rick Astley?
What is this?
When I got raided by Rick Astley
to raid my stream?
Oh my gosh. This can't be a coincidence, right? Okay.
Into like a solid color, because we just want to use our webcam as a mask, so we're gonna turn it into a solid color. And the way that I do that is the super noob way. I just add a filter to my camera. Ignore all the other filters, but I just added a color correction filter, and I just like blast the contrast and the brightness, so I become solid white. Okay, so I'm solid white now.
So the correction and the brightness. Ah, not the gamma. Not the gamma.
So I become solid white. It's like blast the contrast and the brightness.
Okay. That works. I don't think you even need to do the contrast in my case. Okay. Fine. Then.
So I become solid white. Okay? So I'm solid white now. Now I'm going to drag the camera underneath our color source. So the blue rectangle is covering up our camera.
Yep.
And then we're going to apply a blending mode. And we're going to set this to multiply.
Ah, blending mode, multiply. Hey! Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Okay, so now I think it needs to zoom out like this. You can see now it's perfect. Ah, this is great. Okay.
And you see it's only going to.
Hi, Erica. Yes, I look slightly different since I'm currently working on creating a special thumbnail scene so that everyone in chat can take a thumbnail for me. When they think when I look particularly amazing, you can take a thumbnail. Is it readily apparent to you right now? Who's angered you? So that's the idea with this. Anyway, so here's how we have to hurry up because we're running out of time because of ads.
My camera now.
Perfect.
The rest of the rectangle is gone, but my camera is there.
Ah,
now
it's very bright.
This whole scene can be used as a nested scene inside of wherever I want to use it. So if I go
Mhm.
back into my
Yes.
desktop source, and I add a scene, we're gonna add that scene again.
Yes.
Scene 2.
Yes.
There we go. Ooh, and it's free.
Okay, so that is great. And now I need to figure out, where did I put that? How do I make this slightly thicker? See, because the thing is, chat, this background, this red version of me, needs to be larger than the other version of me. It needs to add like a layer. So let's try that. Put the music back on as well. How are you doing, Erica? It's good to see you. Needs to be larger. That's what she said. Or he, depending on the situation. Could be both. So I can make this source whatever color I want now. Which I think I'm probably going to go with white, if I'm going to be honest. I think a white outline makes the most sense. FFF. Okay, so I have a white camera outline. Yes, enhance even more, Blue Squid, so you can see even more whiteness. And then I think I need to create another filter on here. I think I need to blur. What would blur be now? Is there I know there's a blur filter. 3D effect? Maybe it's scale? Scale X, scale Y? Yeah, now it's just white. It's hard to make out your face. I thought it would help. I need to like add a slight blur. And I don't know what the easiest way to do that is, chat. Good to see you, Blue Squid, by the way. Lovely to see you. Lovely, lovely. Where are all the filters? There we go. Ah, that's very close, isn't it? You know, if you get too close, it will unenhance. You know that, chat. It will unenhance eventually. So I'm just wondering if we should set this up in a separate module of some kind. Maybe, I don't know. Let's get it working first. Okay, so chroma key. And then crop. And then mask. Perfect. Okay. And then I can blend with this color, but I guess I don't need to blend it because this one's already white. So unless I wanted to color the outline, which I don't need to do. So I need to find a way to add blur. How can I add blur? Oh no. No. No, 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 no. This is not good. No! This is not good. Time warp in this situation is...
Exegete, you took a screenshot.
Oh no, Exegete took a screenshot. How dare you? How dare you? No. No. Fortran, thank you very much for the follow. Fortran999. Imagination was given to man to compensate him for what he is not, and a sense of humor was provided to console him for what he is. Interesting. How can I apply... So, chat, I need help. I don't know how to add a stroke outline. Finite said, use a chrome light. Search indicates OBS doesn't have a blur. There are third-party plugins. Yes, I have a third-party plugin, but it doesn't necessarily need to be blur. It could just be something that scales as well. It could also just be something that scales the image by X%. Because ultimately, I mean, it is very zoomed in. I will have to reset it. Otherwise, I can't see what I'm doing. Basically, if I have a filter, and the filter is like this, I need to make this image 5% bigger. Which I can do with probably... What could I don't know what I could do it with. 3D effect, maybe? Scale X. 105%. And this 105%. Does that work? Ah, of course. There's scaling aspect ratio in the list. Oh, there was. Wait, you're right. There was. Scaling aspect ratio. Elgato. Scaling. Scale. Ah, yes. Here we go. Area. I don't even know how to use 5%. That reaction was worth all 420 points. Wide streamer. The first time you have seen that. 2544 by 1431. That somehow doesn't work. Am I stuck this way now? I think I'm stuck, chat. I'm stuck. Oh no. Chat, I can't get it back. I'm stuck. Oh no. No, I don't want to be... I don't want to be stuck this way. I feel like the other one was probably easier. I feel like the other one was probably easier, but we have the problem. This is the problem. This is all being done with the original source. So we can't do it with that. We can't do it with that. We need to do this with an additional source. So we need to go here. We need to go to camera main. And we need to re-add this camera as a source clone. Elgato. Oh no, I'm gonna call this camera thumbnail. Thumbnail. Clone the Elgato Camlink 4K. Okay. So my real camera is in front, and this will be behind it. Is that right? Thumbnail. Oh look, there's two of me now. There's one behind me too. Who's this guy behind me? Hello? How strange. There's someone behind me, chat. Okay, so... I'm so confused by this. Filters? I think I can copy filters from one to the other. Copy filters, that's right. Paste filters. Now I can take these filters and remove them. Now I can take here. I wouldn't turn my back. They look kind of sus. Yeah. Wait, reset transform. Why is this doing weird stuff? Transform center to screen. Strange. Oh wait, I should have done the should have done the filters before. Hold on. Transform, reset transform. Okay. Everything is done. They probably use right joins. You're right about that. Okay. There's some kind of filter on here. Cause look, chat. That's weird, isn't it? Oh, I think I actually did that on purpose. That's not good though. At all. Because it means... How do I copy the positioning? Can I copy a transform?
Garbage.
I actually don't know that. Transform. Copy transform. That is insane. Oh, that is awesome. OBS just saved my butt with that. Not gonna lie, chat. Okay, filters. Chroma key and crop. I will have to chroma key the other one as well. Filters, paste filters. Paste. Yeah, so this chroma key. Just thinking. And then here, filters. Chroma key, crop, mask. Yes! We got it. But the scaling is not enough. You see the white outline, chat? The scaling is not enough. We need more scaling. Sure, Steffi. Yeah, that really helps. Thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Ah! Yeah, that helps a lot when I'm trying to do something with a green screen. Less light. Mm-hmm. Did we not apply scaling yet? Maybe we didn't. Maybe we did not. Maybe we did not. Where are the lights? There we go. Okay, there it is. Okay. There's something behind me. Do you see it, chat? Look. It's there. Whoa! That's trippy. That's actually kind of trippy. But I need it to be... Hold on a second. Video buffer, none. I need it to be instant. Why is it not... Why is it not like... I don't get it, chat. Why is it not immediately next to me? Did you zoom something, chat? Did you do something? Oh, because you enhanced my camera. There we go. Yeah, you kept enhancing my camera. That's why it wasn't working. No! Stop enhancing my camera. You're breaking my thumbnails. No. No, chat. No. What's ironic about this, chat, is that I actually don't need the outline stroke here, in theory. Someone take a screenshot before we do ads. Before we go on break.
Ragma took a screenshot. XGTO took a screenshot.
Great transition to our ads. See you in 3 minutes, chat.
Ragma took a screenshot. Exegete, you took a screenshot.
Yeah, good for you, chat. We'll see each other in 3 minutes. Don't leave. Super fun. Follow me on Patreon. It's free. You get stream recaps. You get to find out what we did in the data cafe. You get all the links. It's completely free. Oh, does this work on this scene? Oh, it does! Oh, it's amazing! That's so cool. Thank you, Captain Beard. Thank you to the new followers. Bweezy, JXR, Rex, Rexonus? That is what this scene is all about being in the classroom. As you may notice, the clock on top is actually my local time. Cannabis. Oh no, someone's gonna clip that now, aren't they? Information. Tesla offers owners an insurance product that utilizes unique telematics that their vehicles provide to offer more bespoke insurance premiums. This product is sold separately, and owners are not obliged to use it and can purchase insurance for their vehicle from any broker. This, chat, is someone complaining about something that they can change. This isn't mandatory. This isn't compulsory.
Show me what you got.
I'm showing you my eggs. But this is
Show me what you got.
this is not expensive. But just for Mimi Two Shoes, I'm gonna draw something.
Sally. Hello. Sally Death.
I don't know if you've seen that, but there is a long bunny that you can make very, very long if you so wish. Yes, exactly, chef. I think the maximum was like 16 or something. It's quite funny. So I came up with card select, card flip, and card state. I will say that. I realized it would get clipped once I did it. No, not everything I do gets clipped. So it's like, it's not a given that it gets clipped, you know? It happens, but it doesn't happen all the time. Ordered the
test results are in. Let's print them out. Yep, chat is full of trolls.
Thanks, Surly, for printing that out for us. Very kind of you. Hands up here, okay? I'm not doing
And
anything.
Secretary Cardona and Mayor Bowser and Chancellor Fairbanks.
Ooh,
Thank you
12.
for joining us as well.
With the dice on my
And
face,
for
too.
families across the country.
So there you go, that's the delay. Chat is full of trolls. I've never heard something more true in my life. So, I don't technically need the outline. Did you enhance again? Oh no, now he can do work without us. Disconnect my stream and watch what happens. He called us trolls. I was offended. Chat is in control. Good job, Blue Squid. Very good job. Anyway, let's have a look at some of the screenshots from today. Wow. Wow. What is... Some of them are very funny. So here's the thing. Here's the thing, chat. I was thinking about this. If I have a camera thing, right? Let's assume for the moment I don't even have this secondary camera. I just have this camera. And it has a chroma key on it. So I say, hey, we're gonna do some thumbnails now, chat. And you can help me by taking thumbnails. Then I could get rid of this. So what could happen is... thumbnails. I would go to my main scene. Let me just turn this off.
Exegete, you took a screenshot.
Not gonna comment on that. Elgato chroma key. So if I take that off and then I go to here and I go to new action, device, OBS, action type. Elgato. Oh, also we're back from break, so we need an audio cue. This is the sound alert to let you know that we are back from break. If you are watching the stream and are confused whether we're actually live or not, that's the one for today. That should help you distinguish. Nope, nope. Today's was different. Today's was different. Change filter visibility. Elgato cam link. Sound of the day. Elgato chroma key is visible on the change filter. Yes. We could do that. And then we could turn it off again. And we could turn it off again afterwards. Change filter, text to speech visibility. Where's the screenshot? Here, there it is. Need to add a delay. Take the filter off after 2 seconds. Okay. Does A have an F-bomb emote? I don't think so. I actually don't think so. That's the one for today. I can't believe you both clipped it. Nope. 3 people clipped it. What is happening? The level of chaos. Although I have to say, Blue Squid, you're correct. That's the one for today. Your clip description is probably... That's the one for today. Chat! How are we supposed to get anything done? Chat. That's the one for today. This is the stream. You own the stream now, chat. You own the stream, chat. Okay, so someone has to screenshot so we can test if this works. All right. I think it's a bit close for a screenshot, though. I do get things done on stream. I really do. I get a lot done on stream. Not more than I would if I wasn't streaming, but yeah. Yeah, this is not a thumbnail.
Dr.Dynamite took a screenshot.
Oh, Dr.Dynamite. Thank you very much for the screenshot. I'm terrified to see what these screenshots even look like. Wow, the pores. The pores are disgusting. Someone keep enhancing because that's the one for today. Keep enhancing, it's gonna reset. Correct, that is a nose. I'm so glad you can differentiate a nose from a thumbnail. I mean, this is a win for me. This is a win for me. As long as you don't keep enhancing the camera when I'm trying to do my thumbnails. You know? So chat. Are we gonna test this thing out or what? Because oh no, 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 that's not good. Do we like Hans announcing it? I think it's quite funny. Yeah, there we go. All right, screenshot time. Somebody test whether the screenshot works now. Please. Oh, no! What happened to your white outline? So I disabled it for the moment, because I don't think we need it. That's the one for today. You were not meant to enhance. You were meant to take a screenshot, and it would auto chroma key. Yeah, perfect. Amazing. That's awesome. You can't stop me, chat. I have other lights too. Look. See? I have a phone. I can use my phone to light my stream. Somehow screenshot doesn't work without enhance. Not our fault. Well, you come in here and pretend like I'm doing these things for you. There we go. I'm doing them for me. I'm trying to make my life easier. Thanks for the good vibes, Blue Squid. Appreciate it. Oh wow, lights out. What is happening? Ah, because lights out turns them off, but screenshot turns... Ah! Yeah, that's that's going on the wall. Ah, chat. Let's see what kind of screenshots we got then. Fine, let's take a look. Okay, so this is before. Mm-hmm. Yeah, great. Mm-hmm. Amazing. Oh, caught in a blink. Caught in a blink. Blurry. Ooh, this one's kind of creepy. Paparazzi. Total paparazzi. Oh, wow. That's a lot of screenshots, chat. That's 28 screenshots you've taken today, chat. Well, I think this is a great success. It doesn't work as intended, but it works. So, we're filing it firmly in the chat folder, along with all the other shenanigans that you can do. That's the one for today. We will fill your hard drive with screenshots. Yep. The last one really catches the mood. Saved me from chat. So I guess we can kind of cross off that from the board, which is cool. We go to my hidden Trello board here. My next thumbnail. I actually can kind of cross this one off. I can archive that. Chat takes a picture. I think that's something we could still maybe do to some extent, but I'm okay with it for now. Okay. The next thing that I want to do, chat. I want to get something working. This doesn't work yet. I'm waiting for something. Yep. This is the one I want to do. Some of you may remember there is a scene that we used to have that doesn't exist right now. in the stream. Do any of you know which one it is? Can anyone guess?
Garbage.
Mess up my stream. No. Nope. That's another possibility. It is specifically something with a bell. It is specifically something with a bell sound. End my stream. That's not a scene in itself. Blink's light cam? I don't even know what that is. Blink's light cam? It is the classroom scene that is missing. Oh, also, we have to take away the... 1 second. To take away the green screen, we don't need it. I'm not doing any thumbnails. Lovely. The high sign. Ah, the high sign. No, that will make a comeback. That will make a comeback. But it is specifically the classroom scene. Rugmat requested this the other day and said, "Where's the classroom scene?" And I said, "You know what, Rugmat? You're right. It's missing. We need to re-add it." With the current time, of course. So, it's time to re-add the classroom scene. Did someone take a screenshot? No. Good.
Steffi 128 took a screenshot.
The problem with that is actually, if I set the if I set the color to something else, it will reset it. So I kind of have to know what. No. Hi, Ian. It's not those bells. No. It is the classroom scene specifically. So the classroom scene is very simple. The classroom scene is not the billboard scene. We have the billboard scene. This is the billboard. This is when I make very important announcements. Then I tell you all to quiet down and listen up because I have something important to say. And then I announce it. And that's what I use for major announcements. And that's kind of how it goes. Very important announcements like left join is the best join. Exactly. Exactly, Rugmat. Left join is indeed the best join. And you heard it here first in evening traffic. Learn to read. I think you misread that? No, that's what you wrote. That's what you wrote. I don't know what you're talking about. Hi, Cypher Enigma. So sorry for the traffic. It's a little bit noisy out here. But no, I'm going to add the classroom scene. The classroom scene. So the classroom scene is basically simple to do. We have to create a new scene with some sources. I think that we should start with something like Ian, how are you doing, by the way? It's good to see you again. Very happy to have you here, as well as everyone else who's here today. Great music today. I think we'll start with maybe... I think we'll start with like 3070 as a base, maybe? Or 8020. Start at 8020 as a base. Why not? So P are my production scenes. So this is going to be an E effect scene. No, sorry, it's going to be a P scene. So disconnect and network error and stuff like that, those are effect scenes. They basically have a very temporary... They have like a temporary nature. Whereas the P scenes are like production scenes. So production meaning classroom. So then we're going to move this all the way up. Come on. And it's going to be here where the BRB is going to be above. Here we go. Classroom scene. What things don't we want in the classroom scene? Why is this so small? I don't need to have this so small. I'm going to open up a window here as well, so I can see this a bit more clearly. I'll probably put this off screen, because you don't need to see this twice, chat. Thanks for sending good vibes, XG. Appreciate it. So, hype train, yes. No one has actually seen the hype train stuff that I have, which is a whatever. It is what it is. The branding stuff I will not need because oh, it's not even showing the branding stuff properly. I just realized. I think there's a problem with this. There's a problem with the there's a problem with these alerts. With the backstage stuff from the claw. Steffi, have you ever noticed that? I don't know if you've ever seen it, but basically it like times out and just stops showing after a while. I don't know if it has to do with like deployments or something, maybe that like Panther's doing. I don't know. Okay, so we can keep the hype train stuff, we can keep the branding. We can keep the shout out thing, I guess. No, that's not gonna fit. That's not gonna make sense. That's not gonna make sense on that scene. Memes. We will keep the memes because they're global. Alerts are global. Featured chat is global. Stream games. I think we'll probably not have stream games on there. Did I have it on the billboard scene? No memes. No memes. But a funny little Easter egg. I haven't shown you all that, but it's fine. What else did I do? The iPad.
Fine.
Really?
I'll say I'm sorry.
No, be sincere.
Oh wow, you can still draw. That's
I'm
funny.
sorry.
I'm sorry.
Don't need that.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
You're sorry.
sorry.
We're all
sorry.
sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Good, that's the one.
As long as we're all sorry. That's the most important. Okay, classroom. Ugh, again, meme box. Why does it keep hanging? Super annoying. I don't get it. It works just fine. Seriously.
Garbage.
Super annoying.
Put my faith in data, information.
All right, classroom.
Ones and zeros never lie.
Branding, memes, alerts, featured chat. The iPad? No. Camera, we will have to modify. That's here. Take the camera out for a second. I think I'll probably get rid of Twitch chat in this scene. And there's going to be no background thing as well. And there's going to be no vertical line thing either. So, we are just left with a blank slate. Now comes the background. How did I name backgrounds? BG. Do 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 do. I just called it BG, right? Yeah. So we go to image, BG classroom. And the thing is, I already have all the assets ready. I go to assets, OBS, then I go to images, and then I go here, classroom old and classroom. What size is this image? Looks great to me. Bam. So now we have the background for the classroom already there. put this at the bottom. Oh wait, did I want to... Ah, wait. Did I want to... Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I could take out some things like featured chat. The iPad could be useful because then I'm drawing on the whiteboard, which is kind of funny if it works. I don't know if it's super necessary. What is necessary is I have to include my microphone again, but as a source mirror, because I need to apply filters to it. But the other option is I could put filters on the scene. Do I have mic filters somewhere? Hold on. Tie condenser filters. Ah yeah, there's a billboard filter. How did that sound, by the way, the billboard scene for you? Was that interesting? This will be interesting because I don't know if I can modify this while live. Because I can't listen to myself while live. Can't listen to my own voice. Let's fix the camera first. Okay, so assuming the classroom is there, we have to put the camera here. And the camera's too big. Transform, reset transform. I don't know if this is big enough. Hold on. Oh, this is too small to edit. It's too small to edit, chat. How can I zoom in on this? Preview scaling, canvas. There we go. Spacebar. That's the secret. Okay, let's get the height right, and then we can just trim left and right. I think that's the most important. Like this. And then we can just crop left and right. Like that. Now the thing is, if I place this above it, it's actually not visible because it's not 2 layers. So that's a bit unfortunate. But we can make it look a bit more realistic by just applying a filter on this camera. Thing is, do I want to... Do I want to apply a filter? I think I already have a billboard thing that changes the microphone. I could have a filter on the camera. Apply LUT. Classroom. And we'll put this at the end. After lights out, after time warp, after zoom. On top. Makes most sense. What kind of LUT? I think we want something that is... something like this. But not too extreme. Just not good quality. There we go. Because the quality of a screen, you know what I mean? Chat? I don't know if that makes sense for you. So it looks like this. This is the scene. You have like a slightly discolored thing. The clock is not current, so we have to do the clock. Definitely have to do the clock. But first, I need to do the classroom filter. So OBS Actions, this is pretty easy. You just copy this one and call it classroom mic plus cam. And then we do scene changed, and then you select P classroom. And you say scene changed from classroom. Because you want it to trigger both to and from the classroom scene. So you do that. You say step 1, change filter visibility. And it basically toggles between them. So we're gonna have we will have a filter on there. We don't have one yet. I'm gonna copy that. And then this is on camera main in the classroom. Classroom visible. Copy that. Put this down here into step 2. The hidden. Create, save. So technically what should happen if I change to the classroom scene, let's just do this properly. I'm in my normal 3070 scene. If I change to the classroom scene, it should apply the LUT. Is the LUT applied? I think so. I have to check. No, it's not. I don't know why that is. Am I in studio mode? No, I'm not in studio mode. Let's go back. 3070. Oh, sorry. It's because it was active when we started, that's why. Classroom, camera main, filters. Here we go. Now it's correct. So if I change to classroom, it will now activate the LUT. You can see the quality of the LUT. It's like making my skin weird. If I go back to this scene. That's strange. It should have hidden the filter. Okay, the LUT is active. The LUT is inactive. The LUT is active. The LUT is inactive. Okay. Well, that seems to be working fine then. That's strange. I don't know why it didn't work. Thank you, Lars. I don't know why it didn't work before, but now it seems to be working. Okay, so we're in the classroom. The LUT is active. We have to apply our voice filter. So this may be uncomfortable for some of you. This might become uncomfortable. We have to add a filter to our audio. And I need to do this while I'm on the classroom scene. Although, actually, no, I don't. Actually, I can do this here. I'm gonna add a filter. VST plugin, classroom. And I'm gonna put it here, and I have it active. But first, I'm gonna activate monitoring. This is gonna be really weird, because now I'm going to hear my own voice, and that's gonna be really strange. but I mean, you might hear me speaking differently. Anyway, here's the filter. Okay, I'm gonna stop the music for a sec. Let's see. What should we use for the classroom? Maybe wider? Let's see what that's like. Does this sound like I am speaking from a laptop? From a classroom? Maybe it's not the most appropriate one. I don't know. Let's close that. Let's try. There's a ton of stuff in Crush that we could use. Presets. Oh, I made one. See, for Billboard. Everything sounds like you're speaking from a laptop because I'm listening from a laptop. Oh, wow. That's amazing. No. Ah. This could work. This could work, actually. This is not bad. Maybe dial down the Crush a bit. Does this sound more laptop now, Rugmat? It should be very laptop-like. I'm gonna try and keep the levels the same as before. So roughly like this. And I'm going to save as stream classroom. Okay, save. Close plugin interface. So now I have the classroom one saved as an audio filter. And now all I have to do is go to here, tie condenser, classroom. And then on this one, classroom. Save. So now when I switch to the classroom scene, it should apply the LUT to my camera. And it should open the mic filter. I'm going to keep this window open just to make sure. Okay, classroom. And now, does it sound like I am talking from a laptop? Like, is the connection what you remember from the pandemic? Was this what you were experiencing, like, day to day? Because I think so. I'm going to turn off monitoring. Needs more Crush. More Crush. Okay, we can add more Crush. Let's add more Crush. Okay, more Crush like this. This is 55% Crush. More Candy Crush. Needs some more tinniness. Okay. Let me see if I can add. I could add tinniness. Oh, less bass, basically. I could add. Hold on. Like on the modulations. Down here, I think I can do like this. No, that's the speed of the modulation. Synchronize the modulation speed to the host application tempo. I know the clock is broken. I'm gonna fix the clock in a second. I think this is probably okay for now. I think it's okay. It's not perfect, but it's close.
Ragmat took a screenshot.
Ragmat took a screenshot. Thank you for taking a screenshot. Okay. Let's go back to a different scene. And now everything is normal again. Great. Cool. But we need to apply. First, I gotta take off my own voice because that was super annoying. First, now we need to apply the clock thing. So I was doing the clock thing last time. How did I do the clock thing? Also, the bunnies are doing stuff. Hold on. I want to see what they're up to. Where is the bunny cam? What are they doing? Shenanigans. Ultimate shenanigans. This is all made of wood and they're allowed to eat everything in here. Like everything you see on this left side. All this wood that's safe for them to eat. But when they eat it, it's super noisy. So yeah, sometimes I'm just always curious what they're up to. And they like ripping up the carpet as well. They seem to enjoy that recently. As long as they don't eat the carpet, it's okay, but they seem to be more like just destructive. So anyway, this is Ben, by the way. Jerry just went to the toilet. So, let's try and get the clock working. So this was actually kind of tricky last time. Does anyone remember how we did that? I think we did it with a browser source. Basically, any clock, we can just lay it over this, as long as it's transparent. It was a browser source, but I don't remember where we got it from. Was it maybe... Ooh, did we host it maybe on CodePen? Or was it like HTML clock widget? I don't remember. Was it something like this? I think it was something like here, where we did some kind of clock thing. My time zone. Size. Large? Color. Orange? No. Black? Yeah. Link text? None. And how do you get this widget now? Get code. Your website. So what is this exactly? We need something that we can use as a browser source. That's the problem. We need something to use as a browser source. This is the real stream. Yes, I'm still streaming. You are currently watching the live stream. Yes. Jay Walter, where would I get a... Where would I get an HTML clock from? Free clock from my website. How did we do this last time? I don't remember. Did we use CodePen? Because it has to be hosted somewhere. Yeah, like here, you know, an actual working clock for the classroom. This could work. The thing is, can I modify these? I don't want the text underneath. And this has to be... It is transparent, I think, yeah. Where's the right now part? This whole thing can just disappear. Okay, so what if I took this, view frame source. So if this was my browser source, that could work. That could work. It's possible. I don't know if it will, but let's try. Why not? Add a source just for this scene. Clock widget. Um, 2544 by 1431. 60 FPS. Who landed in the pool? Jay Walter. Nicely done. I see what you're doing with the clowns, chat. I see it. 404 not found. It couldn't find this. Why couldn't it find this? Ah. Interesting. So I have to put the embed somewhere. Ooh, that's cool. Batman. So I have to put the code pen somewhere. Oh, I should just put it in my... Wait a second. Couldn't I just put it in Stream Elements? Couldn't I just do it like I did with my other thing? With, where was it? In the overlays? I could just put it in there. Like the ad warning one. Because the ad warning... How did I do that? SE alerts. Branding. Add countdown. Yeah, that's a Stream Elements overlay. So I could just do it like that. I could do it like that. I should put this on top of the classroom. Okay, so let's do that. Let's copy this. No. Duplicate. Oh my gosh, seriously? Okay. Edit. We're gonna rename. Can we rename this here? No. How? Can you not rename these? Here. Ad warning, no. We're gonna call this clock widget. Okay, and then I'm gonna delete these because I don't need them. And then we're gonna call this clock. Settings, open editor. And then basically, this is the HTML. This is the CSS. See, I got to code today, so I'm in the correct category. No one can complain. And here's the JavaScript. Ta-ta-ta-ta! Okay, the background is crappy. Where's the background coming from? Where's the background? Background color, none. Will that work? Yes. Nice. Save this. Copy the URL. Nice. Last time. What was this? Oh, you found it. I don't know if you really need to see that. So I actually have it still, is what you're telling me. If I go to stream out... It was in there this whole time. But, okay, chat, vote for me, okay? Vote, chat. Which clock looks nicer, okay? Don't clip this, chat. Which clock looks nicer to you, okay? Be honest. Be honest.
Ragma took a screenshot.
You're not supposed to take screenshots of embarrassing things. I personally think this clock looks cooler, but this is the Swiss one. Ah. This is the Swiss one. Ah. It's an iframe from Time and Date. Wow, we were super lazy. We were super lazy. Wow. I'm gonna use the fancy one. I like the fancy one. So we're gonna stick with that. 60 FPS, yo, let's go. The clock moving at 60 FPS is what's important. Clock widget, properties. Where is it? It's here somewhere. There it is. It's not even loading. It loads in the browser. Why is it not loading here? That's strange. Refresh cache. Oh my gosh, it just doesn't work? That's so strange. It loads in Stream Elements, but not... Huh? Chat, what's going on here? Why does this work in Stream Elements and not in OBS? How strange. Did I not save? Hold on. Did I not save? What? It doesn't make any sense. Okay. No. No. I'm not going to lose a battle to a clock widget. Goodbye. Edit the classroom clock. So here's the problem. I need to modify this to be custom size 2544 by 1431. Favorite. I have to reload this again. And then I have to somehow find a way to put this in the middle of the canvas. Maybe. I'll just save it, whatever. I don't think I need to put it in the middle. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. I have to say, this is the most I've ever worked to get a clock on my stream. Is it even here? Yeah, okay. It's there. It's a bit small. We can scale it a bit. Also, is there like a bit of lag? No? It's a bit small, but we can make it bigger. Here we go, chat. With only a few minutes left remaining until the ads come. Oh. Perfect. We did it, chat. We did it. The actual time is now in the classroom. Woo! We did it. GG's. GG. So chat, here's the thing. I have an idea for how to do another effect, but I don't know if I'm up for it because we're streaming again tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm really up for doing it now. It also kind of depends on chat. So there's kind of, well, the dependency on chat is there needs to be a fair amount of chatters in order to test the methodology. So today's stream being a bit quieter, it probably would be best to do it next week. Maybe on Monday or maybe on Thursday again. I have like other topics I want to do that are data related, right? I don't want to like keep doing streams around non-data stuff again. I mean, I would do a poll, it's just there's not that many people here, so it's not super representative. So I think this is what we'll do. We'll wrap up for today, and tomorrow we'll do Data Cafe, and if we have a lot of people there tomorrow, we can do it tomorrow. And I will give you a sneak preview of it now, though. So I'll give you a sneak preview now of what it's going to be. Because Rugmat asked earlier, what about mess up my stream? It used to be possible to mess up the stream, but I have decided to go even further. I have decided that you will make the stream unwatchable. Not just messed up, like literally unwatchable. And so what will happen is you will activate a channel point redeem. The channel point redeem will activate a mode for, let's say, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And for those 5 minutes, all chat activity will be logged. And if the chat activity doesn't meet certain thresholds, the stream will start to degrade. And when I say degrade, I mean actually degrade. As in, the quality of the stream will degrade. So for example, it will look in the beginning, you might not notice it. It'll look like this. You might say to yourself, oh, maybe that's just my Twitch settings. Oh, maybe it's, maybe it's not working properly or something. You try and refresh the browser. You try and go to you try and like change the toggle on Twitch, and you're like, no, that's not doing anything. And then chat falls even more behind the threshold, and then it starts to look like this. And no one can really make out major things anymore. Like you can't read the text on screen, you can't read the code, nothing. Exactly like 1994 movie Speed, where chat has to keep up or the stream will explode. Exactly. And then at some point it will get even worse if no one's chatting. If the activity is too low, it will look like this. And in the most extreme, where basically no one's talking at all, it will look like this. And that will be entirely your fault, because you will not be engaged during this mode. And after 5 minutes, it will reset and everything will be normal again. But that basically, that mode is, you are causing the stream to be unwatchable, which is even better than, in my opinion, even better than it being messed up. But I also have an idea for how messed up my stream could work as well. It was just the way I'd implemented it. The way I'd implemented it last time was very tedious, so I have to think about how to implement it. Loki looks like kind of cool, but not what I want to watch. Well, that's the thing, Alan. It would only be for 5 minutes or something, and it would be based on chat activity. And if someone redeems it, then they probably know that it's going to be something that will work, and it probably wouldn't be so bad. And the other thing is, I will limit the number of redeems per stream. Definitely, because it's yeah, it's a pretty big deal to do that to the stream. So that's the point. But yes, in terms of messing up the stream, I also have some ideas about how to do that, and I think that's something to think about. Something to think about. In the meantime, I'm just seeing that my activity monitor is going crazy. Is there something happening here? Everything looks okay. So that's a sneak peek at what that would look like. I think it's pretty hilarious. And it could be fun. Silly screenshot idea. Slowly cover stream with screenshot thumbnails as another way to mess with the stream. You know, Alan, you say that. And actually, I wanted to do something for the 3% joke. So Twitch had a thing a while ago. Or I should say a week ago. Twitch did a thing where they said you can't have more than 3% branded content. And, well, that's pretty funny. But what's also really funny about that is that I thought, well, what if people could place 5x5 pixel things on my stream in a random location, and it would just continue filling the screen as a joke to the whole 3% thing. But I didn't find an easy way to implement it. So I ended up not doing it. Yeah. I ended up going with a different 3% thing. But lots of very silly ideas, and I enjoy it very much that all of you have so many cool ideas. You should see my idea board, because it is ridiculous. It is actually ridiculous. It's bad. It's bad. So yeah, I think it's time. It's time. We should wrap up. We should definitely wrap up. I think today, who are we going to raid? Who are we going to raid today? Thanks for being here, everyone. Thank you in particular to... Are those kidney beans? No! They're flowers. But if you want them to be kidney beans, why not? Exegete, Owen, Lars, Plaintext, and Just a Red Shirt and Yoast, thank you for those subs or gifting, in particular Yoast, who's now on 72 gifted subs in the channel. Sam is a possibility? but Sam is sitting on quite a lot of viewers already. I think we'll raid down a little bit. We're gonna raid down a little bit. Thanks very much for the follows as well to Fortran and BR4, and to Lars and Apos. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I think we'll go raid someone who has raided us a gazillion amount of times. So it is about time that we return the favor. It is about time we return the favor. Hey, Anatole. Oh, just in time indeed, T. Jason. Thank you very much for the 23 months. TD, let me know where on the mask and what color you would like. Here are the available slots. And yeah. See you all tomorrow for an episode of the Data Cafe. Enjoy yourselves. Get up to lots of fun. And yeah, hopefully you can make it tomorrow. Should be a good episode with lots of very interesting news. So take care, have fun, and see you soon. Boy! Bone part of the nose. What color, TD? Write it in A's chat. Boy.